Police in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, southwestern Hunt County in north-central Texas, northern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, eastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crandall to 6 miles east of Terrell, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Mesquite, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Lancaster, Greenville, Bulk Springs, Satch C, Terrell, Seagoville, Forney, Kaufman, Hutchins, Murphy and Royce City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 469 and 512. Interstate 30 between mile markers 49 and 96. Interstate 45 between mile markers 268 and 281. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.